What if, like everyone on Earth, yeah, all 8 billion of us, just woke up one day and said, all right, let's stop messing around and upgrade this planet. No arguments, no Twitter fights, no, bro, that's not my problem.
Oh!
Just one goal. Yeah, sounds fake already. Right now, we're basically a Type 0 civilization on the Kardashev scale, which is just a fancy way of saying we kinda know what we're doing, but we also waste energy like crazy, argue over everything, and can't even agree on pineapple on pizza. We're powerful, just not organized. But imagine this. One day, boom, everyone agrees. Let's become a Type 1 civilization. No more competition. No more countries beefing. No more, nah, that's not my job. Just pure teamwork. Yeah, low-key terrifying already. And when I say things speed up, I mean speed up. Clean energy? Solved. Climate issues? Fixed. Technology? Advancing so fast it's kinda scary. Stuff that used to take 50 years? Now it's done in like 5. We'd basically go from, maybe someday, to, yo, we did it last Tuesday. Even space missions like Artemis 2 would feel slow compared to what we could do together. Humanity would finally feel like one giant brain. But, hold on, who decided this goal? Like, seriously, did you vote for it? What if someone goes, yeah, I don't want to do that? What happens to them? Do we just say, cool bro, follow along? Or, get in line? Because if everyone has to agree, then disagreement kinda disappears. And sure, that sounds efficient, but that also means no weird ideas, no different opinions, no crazy thinkers. Which is kinda ironic, because those are the exact people who pushed humanity forward in the first place. So now we gotta ask, are we evolving, or just becoming really smart robots? Maybe becoming a Type 1 civilization isn't just about controlling energy, maybe it's about what we're willing to give up to get there. Because yeah, working together could make us unstoppable, but disagreement? That might be the thing that makes us human.